So today you have listening my voice twice, or it is okay?
Sir, can I correct you, sir?
Yes, of course.
Of course. Yes, I am able to hear you, sir. So the
Okay, there
question,
was.
the question you should have asked me is, are you able to hear me today? Am I audible today?
Yes, of course. May I audible today?
Am I, sir? Am I audible today?
Am I? Am I?
Yeah, yeah. So you're wearing a nice color t-shirt.
No, no. My collar just that's white, so that's
Yeah,
why I'm just
it's like
rubbing
a
it.
Dada the
Topor it.
Dada Tapori. It was
Because it's known time now. It is 3 o'clock, 3:40. It's that's why.
I didn't understand, Sadhiji.
Because the this is the sleeping time of my kids, so I'm just trying to uh, give
Utilize
you
this.
some utilize this time. Yes.
And did you have your lunch, sir?
Yes, of course. There was no any doubt because the 3:40 definitely I have had my lunch.
Okay, okay. And what do you want to talk about? Because you sometimes you say I don't want to talk about the topic, so I should ask you that.
No, no, definitely we will go through the topic. Uh,
Maybe you like the topic today, is it?
I have not seen yet.
Sudhirji has become a busy man now. Huh?
No, not a busy man, but I'm trying to elaborate. I'm trying to just uh, elaborate my time with the busy schedule
I'm trying to
because it
elaborate, or I'm trying to adjust my time.
adjust my time because it is family time, so I want to give more time with my kid.
Very nice, sir, very nice. And I'm curious, very curious, to ask you because you had once expressed me this that you always dreamt, aspired to be in defense, but somehow it didn't happen and whatever. Does that also mean that you were equally interested in sports?
Sorry, your voice is break. Can you just repeat for me?
Yes, I will definitely repeat for you, Sudhir ji. And can you hear me now, sir?
Yes, yes, of course I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. So I'm saying that you had told me this that you were very, very keen to join Indian Army at one point of time.
Yes, of course. Yes, of
And
course.
something, uh, you know, unfortunate that happened with you and you couldn't join. Mm. So that gets me to thinking that is it so that you also equally loved sports? I mean, did you play any sports when you were young? Do you still play any sports? That's what my question is.
No, you're right. At the present time, I am not playing any sport, but if you ask me in my past, when I was young, so definitely I was playing. I was played. I was a very good player in cricket and chess also.
So you can
These
say I
two.
was very good. Sir, whenever you say I'm good, you remember I had given you one template, but Sudhir ji has forgotten that. I'll repeat one more time. I'm good at
I'm
cricket,
good at. Okay.
playing cricket. I am good at playing chess.
Okay.
Now, if you are saying something that now you are not good, you were good at some point of time, you can say that I I was good at I was good at playing cricket. I was good at playing chess or maybe whatever. Have you understood the difference, sir?
Yes, of course.
Right. So, okay. And do you personally feel that sports are important for personal growth of an individual?
Yes, of course. There was no any doubt. There is no any doubt, because it is already important for our health also. For if you are interested in any sport activities, so definitely you have to do it for your personal growth as well as your entire country growth also.
Okay. Sudhirji, if you don't laugh, then I will say you something with your permission.
Yes, of course.
I'm
There is no harm.
writing two words for you, sir, in the chat box,
Okay.
and you need to pronounce this, sir. Both of them.
Important and important.
Do you know the meaning of both of them?
I'm familiar with important, but second one is important.
Yeah. So this
I can
is
just guess.
yeah. Please tell, sir.
Important means anything special brand. I just imported.
Which one you are saying? The second one.
Second one,
So
important.
somebody who is sexually inactive, that he or she is known, that person is known as impotent.
Okay.
And the first one, important, I don't need to explain you, right?
Yes.
But I've seen people pronouncing in the important word as also as impotent.
Important. Okay.
So that I want to tell you, and especially this happens from people who lives in the side of Gujarat. They typically pronounce
Okay.
this word.
Okay. The R is silent.
So it is important. I'm saying
Important.
important, and this is the second one. So your important is sounding as important. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Now that you know the meaning, I hope you will be careful when you pronounce it next time.
Yes, of course. Definitely.
Thank you. Thank you. Good that you didn't laugh. Okay. Now, did you play any sports while you were in school, sir?
Yes, of course. Kabaddi.
And why did you enjoy that game? What were the reasons?
There was no any reason. The PT class or PT instructor uh, has PT instructor was come were come and give us instruction to come to the ground and start the playing kho, kabaddi, volleyball, whatever you interested. So few times the girls they are using kho, and the majority of boys they are using kabaddi. And for a volleyball, few are the people. So I'm just choosing the kabaddi and kho.
Okay, so Dirji, when you're saying somebody, I mean, when you're describing a sport, you don't say using because
Okay,
nobody's using here something.
okay,
You're saying using. When I'm, it is playing. Sir. So you can say that. One of the nice ways to put this would be in our school there were few boys who played kho, or there were few girls who played kho, and few of them played kabaddi.
okay.
So you don't have to say they are using.
Sure.
Right, sir. Right, right. Very good. Do you watch international sport events when they come? Like, for example, when Olympics happened, are you keen to watch them, or you don't have that kind of a time?
No, no. Everybody have the 24 hours only, but they have to decided which out of the time which are their priority. So till the time I have some another priority, but in future I have the time. Definitely I will watch them also.
Sir, they have to decided. Do you think this sentence needs correction? So you can say that uh, I think 24 hours is available for everyone. So a person has to decide how to allocate their own time.